last part of the third part of construction is where we have to draw triangle ABC where angle A is equal to 60 degree, AB is equal to 5 centimeter, BC minus AC is equal to 2 centimeter. Now we have to draw the rough figure ABC. Angle A is 60, this is 5. Now this side is greater. If the side opposite to angle is greater, then if this side is greater, then first of all let's draw AB 5 centimeter and angle A is 60 degree. If the side opposite to the angle is greater and difference is there, listen to me again. If the side opposite to angle is greater, then we have to extend this to the downward x. This will be 2 centimeter. We will join bx. The rest of the things is same. We'll bisect this line and this will be the point C and we will join this. So required triangle is A, B and C, where BC is greater than AC by 2 centimeter, because we take the triangle CXM and triangle CBM. We will write angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and XM is equal to MB bisector and CM is equal to C. Therefore, triangle CXM is congruent to triangle CBM. Therefore CX is equal to BC. Hello. So CX is equal to BC, CX is equal to CA plus XA is equal to BC, CA plus 2 centimeter is equal to BC. So that means BC minus AC is equal to 2 centimeter. See one more sum of this kind. Triangle ABC where angle A is equal to 60, BC minus AC is equal to 3 centimeter, AB is 5 centimeter. Again, ABC, BC is greater, angle opposite to this, same exactly. AB will draw the angle at B, will extend downwards, X, how much? That is 3 centimeter. We'll join this dotted, then we'll bisect, putting compass here and here, we'll bisect this line and we will extend wherever this meet. This is C. Last sum of this segment is when the perimeter is given. When the perimeter is given is draw triangle ABC whose perimeter is 10 centimeter, angle A is equal to 60 and angle B is equal to 40. First of all, we'll draw a line XY with the perimeter 10 centimeter. We'll draw angle at one end 60 degree. We'll draw the angle at another end 45 degree. Then we will bisect the angle. We will bisect the angle. Angle bisector we know will compass here and here, we'll put the compass here and here. Wherever they meet, that is one point. Now we have to bisect the line AX. Listen again, we have to bisect this line. We'll put the compass here. We'll put the compass here. And when we bisect the line, so it will cut it here. That will be your point A. This will be C. Now we have to bisect the line C5 compass at C and compass at Y. This will be another point B. We'll join them. So this is our triangle. This will be angle 60. This 60. This is 45. This angle will be 45. If we have to prove, we'll take these two triangles. This angle is equal to this. This is common, equal. This is common. Therefore, XA is equal to CA. Similarly, we will move to these two triangles. This angle is equal to this is equal to bisector, and this is common. Therefore, BY is equal to CB. So, sum of XA, AB and BY is equal to 10. So, sum will be 10. See one more. Perimeter is 10 centimeter and base angles are 60 and 40. So, that will be XY. We'll draw this with compass 60, this with protractor 40. Then we will bisect the angle. We bisected the angle. We will bisect this angle. They will meet at a point. You can write this as A. Now we will bisect XA. Now another we will bisect XY. Sorry, AY. We'll bisect A and Y. Wherever they meet, this will be B and C. This is the required. So this is all for